Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to go about animating a really neat giant inflatable Archway Halloween decoration. Although you could pretty much do this with any inflatable, including some Christmas decorations, I chose this specific one because it was big and allowed me to have up to 3 characters that I could animate. You will first start with selecting the type of characters you want to animate. There are millions available online, or nowadays with the help of AI, you can prompt for a very specific one that is personalized to you. Once you have selected your characters, you can reference the video shown here and also link in the details on how to go about animating what you have chosen. You can skip some of the steps and go straight to using My Talking Pet app to have your character sing or say whatever you want. This quick example shows a skull that I animated in seconds and ran some tests with. I've also included an AI generated image of Taylor Swift just to show you how this can work with pretty much anything. Now let's set up our canvas that we will use to project on. You can use any type of white material like a pillowcase, cotton sheet, or even projection specific fabric that you can buy on Amazon for as little as $10 or less. Depending on whether or not you like to use your inflatable during the day, you will choose to either use Velcro or double-sided tape to attach material that you can remove while using inflatable during the day. As you can see in this scene, as I am turning off the lights, using a thin material will still allow for original characters to be seen while you're not projecting on inflatable. If you're new to projection mapping, you can reference these 2 different videos shown here and in the details of this video. This will show you different ways of mapping multiple media to project on your inflatable. You will see that it's as easy as using PowerPoint or any video editing software and can be done on PC, laptop, iPad, or even on your phone. I hope this tutorial will help you or empower you to create some really unique holiday decorations that go beyond the norm and what is available on the shelf of stores. Feel free to leave feedback in the comment section or share, like, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thank you guys for watching.